talong or eggplant. Yan guys. Eggplant. Ito yung kainin ko pang hapunan. Kasi na-miss ko yung ulam na ito. Yan guys. Napakasarap. Talong. Lagyan ko ito ng oyster sauce. Suka. Kunti lang guys. Once na maglagay kayo ng suka, huwag ninyong haluin hanggang hindi pa na luluto ng suka. Pabayaan lang muna siya guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. And stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye and see you in my next vlog. Luto na yung eggplant ko guys. Eggplant with chicken. Yan guys. Napakasarap niya guys. Yan. Thank you for watching guys. God bless to all. And bye-bye and see you in my next vlog.